with my new friend for some on-location training. We're going to show you how to do a really fast fairy, and it's amazing. So here we go.
We start by basing out the eye makeup. Make sure you dab and don't wipe, and just get that color in there on both sides. Make sure that you reverse the color. It should go pretty quick, but if you overextend a little, grab a wet wipe and just wipe that part off. Now on a little girl I wouldn't do this, but since I'm doing it on a woman, I take some blue festival glitter and I just poke it right there in the corner, and it adds this great pop of color. I try and add it to the outside corner, but not directly on top of the paint too much because it will smear the paint. So I grab a petal brush and I'm loading it up with white, and then I'll just dip the tip into some pink. And this gives us our beautiful flower. I like to do 5 or 6 petals, and I do one right in the center and one on either end. The size of your flower is going to be almost completely based on the size of your petal brush. If you find that your flowers are too small or too big, then just grab a different brush. Now I like to do a single row of petals right on top of the eyebrow, and it does this nice arch, and then I like to add a second petal when we meet the flower. And this just creates a beautiful shape because that's the shape of the human face. Grab a liner brush and load it up with some white, and we do 3 dots in the center of each flower and then a single dot on top of any petal. And then just trailing dots wherever there's space. I like to do it under the eye and at the inner corner of the eye, and then even in between the flowers a little bit here and there. You just want to put in all of these little dots. Then on the center flower, we want to create a little bit of a tiara. So doing a loop and then 2 swirls is perfect. Then if there's room on the forehead, I can add a swirl above, but here I just added a simple dot. And then I just fill it in with a few little teardrops and curls. And I add some eyeliner. Then with a lighter festival glitter, I'm just adding that extra little bit of glam.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh, cute! That's so cute!
You look awesome, right?
I